आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello students, we have given a question. If nx equals to n tan y, where n belongs to real positive numbers, then maximum value of secant square x minus y is. So we all know that cos x minus y is equals to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, which is our trigonometric identity. So here, by taking cos x cos y as common factor, we get 1 minus tan x tan y. Sorry, here it will be plus sign. So now cos x cos y multiplied by 1 plus n tan square y. We have written this because tan x is equal to, because tan x equals to n tan y, which is given to us. From here we can see that secant x minus y will come to us as 1 by cos x cos y 1 plus n tan square y, because cos x equals to 1 by secant x. From here we get secant square x minus y is equals to secant square x secant square y divided by 1 plus n tan square y and its whole square. Now we know that secant square x is equals to tan square x. Similarly, secant square y will be equals to tan square y, and denominator we will keep it as it is, which is now 1 plus n tan square y n square into 1 plus tan square y divided by 1 plus n tan square y and its whole square. We have written this because it is given that tan x is equals to n tan y. Therefore we can write that. Now multiplying this and opening the brackets, we get 1 n square tan y tan square y plus tan square y plus n square tan raised to the power 4 y divided by 1 plus n tan square y and its whole square. Now we can write it as secant square x minus y is equal to 1 plus n minus 1 whole square n square y divided by 1 plus n tan square y and its whole square. Now we will mark this as our equation 1 because we will need it in future to solve. Now know that 1 plus 10 square y is always greater than or equal to n 10 square y. This implies that 1 plus n 10 square y divided by 2 and its whole square greater than equal to n 10 square y. We can write this because we know that am of two numbers is always greater than or equal to the gm. That is, am denotes the arithmetic mean and gm denotes the geometric mean. From here we can cross multiply 2 and this, so our equation will become 10 square y divided by 1 plus n 10 square y whole square less than equal to 1 by 4n, and we will mark this as our equation second. Now substituting equation 2 in equation 1. Now we will substitute this value in equation 1. So equation 1 is equal to secant square x minus y is equal to 1 plus n minus 1 whole square 10 square y divided by 1 plus n 10 square y whole square. This implies that secant square x minus y is less than equal to 1 plus n minus 1 whole square by 4n, because this term is less than equal to 1 by 4n. Therefore this equal to sign changes to the inequality less than or equal to. From here we will get 4n by taking the LCMs and opening this whole square. N square plus 1 minus 2n divided by 4n. Here we get n plus 1 whole square less than 4n. So this implies that secant square x minus y is less than equal to n plus 1 whole square by 4n. So from here we can say that maximum value of secant square x minus y will be equal to n plus 1 square by 4n. Now we will match from the options which are given to us. For that we will have to check the questions. No, this is not the correct answer. This is also wrong. This is also. Option D is our answer, which is n plus 1 whole square by 4n, which we have get as the maximum value of secant square x minus y. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।